You're gonna be.
Lily, you gonna open up your presents? Lily, there's a big present over there.
Lily, there's a big present for you.
There's one, that's for Lily. What in the world is that, Jake?
Dad, it says like you showed me on your iPhone.
Oh, really? Oh, that's so cool. Is that from, who is that from? Is that from Uncle Brian?
Yeah.
What do you tell Uncle Brian?
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome.
There's one more present and I have to open my
Take your time.